Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over some Dollar General all digital scenarios using the 5 off 25 for February 13th. We have an amazing food deal, we have an amazing gain deal, we also have a baby deal and a toilet paper deal. So if you want to see what scenarios I have for you this week, just keep watching. This week I have two separate gain scenarios for you. You want to make sure you're scanning your items in the store and make sure this bottom coupon here, the Dollar General gain coupon, is attaching to every item in these gain scenarios. For whatever reason, sometimes the gain scented coupon will not attach to certain scents, so make sure you're scanning with the app in store. If you need more help learning how to use the Dollar General app, you can click on the card above, or I'll put a card at the end of this video. Also, when you're getting something that's not an actual gain product, you want to make sure you're looking on the product and make sure that it says gain scented on it. Then you will scan those items and make sure that that gain coupon is attaching to that gain scented item. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started. For this first scenario, you're going to pick up two Febreze gain scented small spaces. They're $3 each. You're going to use that $3 off 2 small space digital coupon. You're going to pick up two Febreze Air Effects gain scented. They're $3 each. You're going to use the $3 off 2 Air Effects digital coupon. You're going to buy one gain scented Febreze warmer with a refill. They're $5. You're going to use that $3 off 1 Febreze warmer digital coupon. You're going to pick up one of the Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaners gain scented for $3. You're going to use that $1 off 1 Mr. Clean product digital coupon. Then you're going to pick up two of the Febreze gain scented car clips. They're a 2-pack. They're $5 each. You're going to use the $3 off 2 Febreze carb product digital coupon. Now you want to make sure that 5 off 30 gain purchase digital coupon is clipped to your account. You also want to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. You're going to go up to the cash register. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will come to $30 even. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $23 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax just $7. That comes out to 87 cents per item. Okay, for this next gain scenario, you're going to pick up two of the Febreze gain scented small spaces. They're $3 each. You're going to use that $3 off 2 small space digital coupon. You're going to buy two of the Febreze Air Effects. They're also $3 each. Make sure it's gain scented. You're going to use the $3 off 2 Air Effects digital coupon. You're going to buy one of the Febreze gain scented warmers with a refill. They're $5. You're going to use the $3 off 1 Febreze warmer digital coupon. Then you're going to pick up one of the big tubs of 51 count gain flings for $13.50. You're going to use that $3 off 1 gain flings digital coupon. Again, you're going to make sure that 5 off 30 gain purchase digital coupons clipped to your account. Also, that 5 off 25 needs to be clipped to your account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will come to $30.50. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $22 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $8.50 or $1.41 per item. Okay, for this next scenario, we're going to pick up one of the Bic Us Razor Starter Kits. They're $9. We're going to use the $5 off 1 Bic Us digital coupon. We're going to buy one of the Febreze plug warmers only. They're $3. We're going to use that $3 off 1 Febreze warmer digital coupon. We're going to buy one of the Downy Unstoppables 5.7 ounces for $4.50. We're going to use the $1 off 1 Downy digital coupon. We're going to pick up two of the Febreze small spaces. They're $3 each. This does not have to be gain scented. We're going to use the $3 off 2 small space digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 3 Baby Ruth candy bars, the single ones at the checkout. They're 95 cents each. We're going to use the buy 2 get 1 free digital coupon. And then we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. The cashier is going to ring up all of our items. Our total will come to $25.35. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $17.95 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $7.40 or just 92 cents per item. Moving right along to our next scenario, we're going to pick up 3 of the cottonelle toilet paper, the 12-pack rolls. They're $5 each. We're going to use that $1 off 1 cottonelle toilet paper digital coupon. We're going to pick up 2 Love Beauty Planet shampoo and conditioners. They're $5 each. We're going to use a $4.50 off 2 Love Beauty Planet digital coupon. We're also going to use a $3 off 2 Love Beauty Planet store digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up one of those Febreze warmers, the warmer only, not with the refill. They're $3. We're going to use the $3 off 1 Febreze warmer digital coupon. And of course, we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will come to $28. $3 worth of instant savings will come off automatically for the cottonelle. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $16.50 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total just $8.50, or $1.41 per item. Moving right along to a baby deal, we're going to buy one bag of Love's diapers for $6.50. We're going to use that $1.50 off one Love's bag digital coupon. Then we're going to buy one of the boxes of Love's diapers. They're $14. There's also a $1.50 off one Love's box digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up one of those Febreze warmers with the refill for $5. We're going to use that $3 off one Febreze warmer digital coupon. And we're also going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. The cashier is going to ring up all of our items. Our total will come to $25.50. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $11 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $14.50. So basically for this one, you're buying the big box diapers and getting everything else for free. Now let's do a food deal and stock up our pantry. First, we're going to pick up 3 boxes of General Mills cereal. They're on sale, 3 for $6. We're going to use that $1 off 2 General Mills digital coupon. We're going to buy 2 Ritz toasted chips. They're $3 each. We're going to use that 2 for $3 store digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 4 cans of Clover Valley corn. They're 2 for $1. We're going to pick up 4 cans of Clover Valley green beans, also 2 for $1. We're going to buy 1 Clover Valley mustard for 55 cents. Buy 1 Clover Valley complete pancake mix for $1.75. Buy 1 Clover Valley pancake syrup for $1.95. We're going to buy 1 Clover Valley 100 count tea bags for $2. We're going to use that $2 off 10 Clover Valley purchase digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 3 20-ounce Pepsis. We're going to get 2 regular Pepsis and 1 cherry Pepsi. Then we're going to clip that coupon that says buy 2 Pepsi, get 1 cherry Pepsi for free. It's a store digital coupon. Then we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. The cashier is going to ring up all of these items. Your total will come to $27.65. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $12.90 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $14.75. So for 20 items, it comes out to about 73 cents per item. Okay, that's all the scenarios I have for you today. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch my videos. I know I've been gone for about a month and a half. I have a lot of real life work projects that pay the bills that I'm dealing with right now. But thank you so much to Kim for reaching out to me, letting me know that she missed me, and reminding me I need to get on here and take the time to film a video and take the time to go couponing myself. Sometimes life just gets crazy and you need someone to snap you out of it and tell you, hey, you need to take some time to yourself. You need to breathe, and you need to do what makes you happy. So thank you, Kim, again, for reaching out to me. But I'm going to go ahead and jump off here. If you're not yet subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell, turn notifications to all so you get a notification anytime I post a video. If you don't mind, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out, especially since I'm not real consistent. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks again to everyone for being patient with me and dealing with me disappearing for a month and a half and coming back. I hope you have a wonderful day couponing tomorrow, and happy Valentine's Day on Sunday. If you don't have an actual Valentine's Day for Sunday, it's fine. I love you, and I will be your Valentine. And just remember, it's really a holiday that Hallmark made up. Okay, guys, I'm out of here. Talk to you next week. As always, be happy, be healthy, be safe, and until next time, bye.